The current link you have on your Instagram bio might be outdated or you just want to get rid of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a link from Instagram bio. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Instagram app right over here. And if you're from your homepage or from any other page, let's just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner so that we are going to be at our profile page. Now from here, you should be able to see the option to edit your profile. So click on edit profile, and under the bio option or the bio section, you should be able to see the links section. So just click on that and you should be able to see the current link that is linked or added to your Instagram bio. So I currently have my Twitter page linked to my Instagram bio. So just click on that specific link that you have on your bio currently. And to remove that, you just simply have to click on remove link that is shown right here. So click on that and click on remove once again. And let's wait for this to load. And let's just refresh our profile page later on. So I'm just going to go back, click on done right here. And as you can see, there is no link on my Instagram bio anymore. So that is how you can basically remove link from Instagram bio. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.